In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change skin color in Affinity Photo. We'll keep things simple and non-destructive so you can experiment confidently and always revert if needed. First, go to Affinity Photo and have your portrait open on the canvas. Make sure you're working in the standard pixel editing workspace. At the top of the interface, click Pixel to view its menu and confirm you're set up for direct pixel-based adjustments. This ensures the tools we use will behave as expected for photo retouching. Next, hover to New Adjustment Layer. Adjustment layers are the safest way to edit color because they sit above your original image and can be tweaked or removed at any time without harming the base photo. When the list of adjustments appears, we'll use one designed for color work. Click on HSL. This stands for Hue, Saturation, and Luminance. It gives you precise control over color tone, intensity, and brightness. Start by looking at the overall skin area in your image and decide what you want to change: the actual color cast, the vividness, or the lightness. If the skin looks too red or too green, gently nudge the hue slider a few points left or right and watch the preview update in real time. Small moves go a long way. Subtlety keeps skin looking natural. If the color is right but feels too intense, ease back saturation a touch to reduce color strength. If the skin looks a bit dull or heavy, raise luminance slightly to lift it, or lower it to deepen the tone. For even finer control, target the color range that affects skin most, typically the reds and oranges, then make the same hue, saturation, and luminance refinements there. Keep an eye on edges, lips, and hair to avoid shifting colors you don't intend to change. Periodically toggle the HSL adjustment visibility to compare before and after. When the tone looks consistent and natural across the face, you're done. That's how to change skin color in Affinity Photo quickly, cleanly, and non-destructively.